Shut up and sit down.
Hi guys, it's time for Fuel Friday. I'm back off holiday. Thanks for tuning in to watch our Fuel Friday. This week I've got some content showing you some of my fly press work. This particular fly press I've had for 20 years. She's called Bertha. You throw anything at her, she can press things, squash things, fold things, break things. Brilliant press, English. It's made by a company called Sweeney Blocksidge. I have two of these. I have a smaller one just around the corner there. I also have a Norton and some other small fly presses, all for punching, pressing, that type of thing. Anyway guys, it's time to get on with Fuel Friday. Let's roll that VT. Here I've got the fly press set up to press out some Diablo end caps. Fairly easy to set up. Just a press tool, press the two parts together like this. Two parts, got a slash cut end tube and our end cap. End cap just sits on the press tool. Align that into position, make sure the cap's hard up against the stops, just come down, push it all the way down, the tool takes it all the way up, twist it off, rinse and repeat. Obviously, while these press tools and these machines do look dangerous, which they are, I've been experienced in using these. As long as you don't go putting your finger right in front of the tool, most of the time there's nothing that can go wrong. You can't really do anything that's going to cut your fingers off or anything of that matter. You've just got to be sensible and know what you're doing with these things. Obviously they're a heavy bit of kit, and they can easily squash your fingers and take you apart and make a real mess of you. So obviously I'm careful. Like I say, I've been doing this for 25 years now, and I still have all my fingers. All my materials are sourced from UK companies. The tube sometimes comes in various different diameters, even though that it should be 1.2. This particular tube's 54mm, 1.2 wall thickness. But there's usually sometimes between a 5% variant between the inside diameters. So sometimes it goes on the press tool, sometimes it doesn't, sometimes it grips, sometimes it doesn't. So sometimes when you're making these press tools, they'll fit the tube that you make them for. The next time they don't fit. So you've got to kind of give it a bit of a tolerance, but then sometimes 6 months, 12 months down the line, you'll find that some of the parts still don't fit the tools, so you've got to modify them, and then you'll get a tube again and it'll come back and it's completely different. So sometimes with manufacturing, nothing's perfect, so you've got to make do, and you've got to try and sort of get around all the different ways of trying to manufacture something and try and keep your tolerances as much as you can, even when your materials aren't exactly the same. Okay, that's done.